Hey, hope everyone's having a fantastic day. Today's video is going to be a what I eat in a day video. And if you're new to my channel, I've been eating a plant-based diet for about 11 years. I'm into fitness and fasting as well. So today I broke my fast. It was about 3:30 p.m. And lately I've been fasting for around 20 hours a day and eating in a 4-hour window. And that's worked really well. And I started off with a pineapple, and I've been getting some really good pineapples lately, these Honey Glow pineapples. So this is about the 4th day in a row that I've eaten a pineapple. So I ate the entire pineapple. That was at 3:30. And throughout the morning and early afternoon, I had about 2 liters of water, and I had 2 cups of tea. So that's all I had before the pineapple at 3:30. And there's my dog Blackberry. She also loves pineapple. Next up at 4:30, I put together a smoothie. And I recently got a Vitamix, which I'm really excited about because I used to have one for many years until it finally broke. And I had a different blender, which I didn't like as much. But now I have a Vitamix. So I'd recommend, if you're looking into getting a blender, I recommend the brand Vitamix very much. And they're just great blenders. They really do a good job and mix it up real smooth. So in this smoothie, I put in a half a cup of almond milk and half a cup of coconut water. I also put in about a cup of frozen strawberries. I used 2 tablespoons of cacao powder. And then I had about 2 tablespoons of this sprouted raw almond butter. It is super good. It is quite expensive. So the last couple times I tried to buy it, it actually wasn't available I didn't see it. They were out of it actually. So it's called JEM is the brand, JEM, and it's this naked almond butter, and it's just 2 ingredients. It's sprouted raw almonds and a tiny bit of sea salt. So if you can find this stuff, I recommend it. It's unlike anything I've ever had as far as comparing to any other kind of nut butter. I also added in 4 frozen bananas, and these I freeze with the peel on, and then I soak them in hot water for about 4 to 4.5 minutes, and they have a really good consistency when I do that, so I prefer that. And there's the final product. It made about 1 liter, super delicious, chocolate, banana, strawberry, almond butter, cacao smoothie. Then at 7 p.m. I had dinner, and I started with a green salad. It had mixed greens, avocado, dates, apple, cucumber, and walnuts. And with the salad, I had a plate of string beans and some homemade veggie stroganoff that had mushrooms, onions, garlic, different things like that in it. Super delicious. And then right when I finished that, it was about 7:30, I had a little bit of dark chocolate and a slice of Dave's toast with more of that raw almond butter on it. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like, check out in the description box. I have a plant-based recipe ebook with a lot of delicious recipes I eat regularly. And thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, give me a thumbs up or thumbs down, leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Hope everyone has a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.